Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of my Revit tutorial series. Today I will explain how to set up a project in Revit, including project units and levels. Let's get started. In the previous video, we discussed the Revit interference. So before starting to a new project, it is important to save the file. Go to File, Save as, Project. Here you will find an options for backup files generally. We can set one or two backup files for now. You can select one backup file and click OK. Make sure the to save the file with a proper naming standard based on your project requirement. Okay. After saving the project, just go to Manage and select Project Units. Here there are two types of unit system. One is metric, another one is imperial. In this project, we'll use the metric system, specifically millimeter. In upcoming videos, I'll explain imperial too. The project units the project units you can define units such as length, area, volume, angle, and slope. These settings are available under command display. You can also find other disciplines such as structural, HVAC, electrical, plumbing, and energy units that can be adjusted based on project requirement. So it is important to verify all unit settings before starting the modeling process. Next, let us discuss levels. Levels represents the different floors of a building. For example, if a building has 5 floors, you need to create 5 levels accordingly so that easy to work, easy to do coordination, and easy to submit to the client. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I will explain the difference between floor plan and ceiling plan. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.